Jinan, JCUT, CNC Equipment Company Limited, is a manufacturer of CNC router and fiber laser machine in Jinan City, Shandong Province. We started with brand of JCUT CNC in 2008. We have 2 factories and plant area more than 60,000 square meters. We have dealers all over the country. We are a powerful company. Our high-quality, innovative products including wood CNC router, ATC CNC router, multi-spindle CNC router, 4-axis rotary CNC router, stone CNC router, wood furniture making CNC router, fiber laser cutting machine, CO2 laser engraving machine, plasma cutting machine. All our products had been certificated by CE. Product innovation, quality assurance, and customer satisfaction are our long-term commitment to our worldwide customers. We have professional technical team and after-sales service team. If you have questions, they can help you find the problems. And our technicians can help you to solve the problems online. We are looking for more foreign agents. We can provide excellent price and quality. If you have a large number of orders, welcome to join us. We are also developing new machines from time to time, according to customer needs. I believe we will be stronger in the future. Finally, thank you for your support to our company, and welcome to visit our factory on-site inspection.